scheduled today, and voting timing was from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Total number of voters were 33,088, out of which 16,881 male and 16,207 female voters. We have distributed 54 number of those for home voting, and out of that 32 have chosen home voting option. We have assembly constituency. Today polling went very peaceful. Mock poll also completed well within time, and polling started in time. So bi-hourly polling report what we received. So from we keep on getting, and so by 11 a.m. there were 37.5%. By 1 p.m. it was 49.3%. By 3 p.m. it was 67.8%, and by 5:30 the report which we received, it was 80.91%. But the figures are keep on coming as the polling was ongoing in few polling stations, and all the figures have to be properly compiled. So by 6 p.m. the report what we received around, so total 90.84% in all the 51 PS.
Can you repeat, sir?
90.84%. These are the voting figures what we received till time. They yet to have compile and match with the presiding officer diary and everything. So we can't rule out little bit variation over that, but more or less whatever report till time we received, so that is yet 90.84% till time.